How to make carrot halwa. Ingredients: 3/4 gallon milk and optional added half teaspoon cardamom powder, quarter stick butter, 5 pounds shredded carrots, 1 cup sugar, chopped almonds, cashews. Recipe: boil milk and stir until almost solidified. In separate pan, melt butter. Then put in shredded carrots. Add sugar and mix. Continue to stir milk until thick. Let carrots cook with space in middle. This brings out water and prevents sogginess. Then mix. Another space. Occasional mixing prevents burning. Mix again and repeat until water evaporated. Add carrots into boiled milk. Mix and roast until no liquid. Top with chopped almonds and cashews. And serve. Like, comment, ask questions, subscribe.